Hey Sonal, you can start. I've made you the host.
Thank you, Natasha. Hello, people. Good afternoon and good morning. Greetings of the day. So, have you practiced some of the questions yesterday? Did you get time to practice? Hello, Asif. Yesterday you were not there. I hope things are good at your end. Hi, Tasnia. Hello, Eddie. Hi, Ashok. Hello, Eric. Hi, Yotam. Hello, Flywell. Okay, so we'll just give another 1 minute and then we'll start. Hi, Ram Shamsher. Good morning, if it is morning for you. Hello, Eddie. Good morning. Eddie, did you go through all those topics, at least one video of percentages? Hello, Mahamudul. Hi, Anupa. Hi, Surjo. All right, so today we are going to start new topic. All right. So I hope you understood percentages other day. Not really. You did not get time already then to go for it. Okay, try to go as soon as possible. Try to cover that as soon as possible. I think that's the same case with Kazol also, because Kazol is also new. So whoever is joining new, make sure that you are going through the previous videos, at least few, because some are connected topics. All right, but I'll make sure and I'll try my best that you will understand whatever we are doing today. You understand it. Okay, so we'll start then. Hello, Salma. All right, so all of you have idea about profit and loss. We have already discussed other day, right? Few things we discussed, you remember? I think yesterday or 2 days ago we discussed. Yeah, so profit, what happened to this? Okay, let me use this one. All right, so I'll erase it. So what is that? Yeah, profit and loss. So profit is nothing but gain, and loss is what? It's pain for a while, right? It's just joking. So profit and loss depends on two prices. Which all two prices we have on which profit and loss depends? Which are two prices we have? Come on. Which all two prices? Hi, Sagar. Cost price and selling price, right? So we have selling price and we have cost price. So when selling price is more than cost price, it's profit or loss. It's profit or loss. You know this basic question. All of you know this. Profit, right? And if cost price is more than selling price, then it is loss. Is it? Can you see the screen or not, people? What I'm writing, is it visible? Can see. Yes, yes. No, Eddie is saying no. Others are saying yes. Eddie, just check at your end once. I'll share again. It's the same thing. Wait, let me reshare it. I don't know today. My this pad is also not working anyway. So, okay. Eddie, just check at your end. Clear, not visible. Clear, not clear. Mahamudal. Okay. All right. Fine. So, profit and loss. Profit is equal to SP minus CP, whatever the difference you are getting between selling price and cost price, it is what profit. And whatever the difference price you are getting in cost price and selling price, that is loss, right? Okay. So what is not clearly visible, people? Maybe the writing part. Okay, let me see this one. So, oh, this is too big. Profit percentage. How you calculate profit percentage? How we calculate profit percentage? What will be profit percentage equals to? Come on, people. Can I say profit upon CP into 100 and loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Why we are writing CP in denominator? Can anyone tell me this? Why we are writing CP in denominator? Why not SP in denominator? Can anyone type about it? Because they are calculated on the basis of cost price. Awesome. Yes, because we are calculating with respect to cost price. See, if you have cost price on one side and you have selling price on other side, you're always comparing selling price with respect to cost price. I repeat, you are always comparing selling price with respect to cost price. If selling price is more, it is profit. If selling price is more with respect to what? With respect to cost price, it is profit. If selling price is less with respect to what? With respect to cost price, then it is loss. So that's why we always put, or we always use CP in denominator. Okay. Now, another thing. When we have to calculate cost price, we can also use, not cost price, when we have to calculate selling price, sorry, profit percent, we can also see this way. Profit percent is equal to, profit can be written as SP minus CP by CP into 100. Bringing this 100 in denominator here, this will become P percent by 100 is equal to SP by CP minus CP by CP. This we have seen last time. CP by CP is nothing but 1. So SP by CP minus 1 is equal to profit percent upon 100. Taking this one other side, it will become SP by CP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100. How you are getting this? I'm writing one more step here. SP by CP is equal to 1 plus profit percent upon 100. So 1 plus profit percent upon 100 will give you 1 plus profit percent upon 100 will give you 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Similarly, when you solve this loss percent, bringing this 100 in denominator, this can be written CP minus SP by CP. And when you solve it further, you will get, this is one part, And one more part you will get SP by CP. SP by CP is equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100. All right. So we will be just using this in case if we have to use formula somewhere. In case we have to use formula, I don't know what is happening. I'm unable to move to the any other slide. There is some technical glitches at my end, people. Why is this happening? Okay, just note down this part as of now. We need to see what we have to do. Okay, I repeat, I'm writing at this corner, SP by CP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100. And if it is loss, then it is 100 minus loss percent upon 100. All right. Nothing is happening. So are you done with this? If you are done with this, please reply. Yes, no. Yes, okay. All of you are done. Fine. Let me just stop sharing again because it's not working. And let me see what I can do. Just a moment, people. Okay, so is screen visible to you now? Is something visible to you? Is screen visible? Yes or no? Okay, so we'll do one thing. Today we will just go in this way because if I'm doing a full screen, it's not working. I don't know what's the reason behind that. So let me just go ahead. Or let me just try once again. If I'll do, yeah, okay, it's working. Fine. As of now, it is working. Maybe this one. Okay, fine, people. So came back to normal now. Everything will be sorted. Okay, yeah, fine. Anyway, let it be. So what we have seen, SP by CP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 and 100 minus loss percent upon 100, right? If it is profit, it is 100 plus. If it is loss, it is 100 minus. All right. So try this question, a very simple one, warm-up question. Let's see how many of you will answer. I hope now, Eddie, it's clearly visible. In case if anybody wants to join Zoom, meeting ID is, I'm just writing so that 89802395381 and passcode is 935974. Okay. All right. So 1190 is the answer. Yes, Wonder. That's very simple one. So you bought it at, okay, one more thing. I'll suggest not to use formula. Go in the normal way. Like when we need to use formula, like when the usage of formula is utter important, that time only we'll use it. As of now, a man buys a scooter for 1400 and sells it at loss of 15%. Sells it at loss of 15% means what? It means loss of 15%, right? So 1400 loss of 15%. It means that 10% of 1400 is 140 and 5% will be what? Half of this. 5% of 1400 will be half of this, that is 70. So 210. It means that he is selling at 210 rupees loss, right? So 1400 minus 210, you will give 1190. Also, like Jennifer, what you are saying is absolutely right. Loss of 15%. It means that he would have sold it at 85%. Very good. Loss of 15%. It means that 100 minus 15, 100 minus 15, 85%. So 85% of what? 85% of 1400. That is also correct. All right. I hope that's very simple one. You would have got it. Okay, let's go for the next one. People, again, my screen got stuck. Yeah, even I cannot see the question. I'm sorry, I don't know why is this happening. Okay. There is some problem, people. I'm really not sure what is the problem, but yeah, something is happening. So 11.11 is the answer, right? A man bought 10 bananas at rupees 1.8. So this is cost price, and sells them at rupees 2. So this is selling price. What is his gain or loss percent? Yo, Sandali, wonderful. So 1.8 is his cost price and selling price is 2. So it means that he made a profit of 0.2 rupees, right? Made profit of 0.2 rupees on what? On cost price into 100. So this will be 1 by 9. 1 by 9 into 100 is 11.11. 11.11 is the answer. Okay. I hope that's clear, right? Eric got the right answer. Sandali, Rahul. Kazol, are you understanding? And Eddie, I hope you are understanding. If not getting clear, let me know. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Go for this. Repeat. Okay, 1 minute, people. Flywell, what we are doing, a man bought means what? Cost price. So cost price is 1.8 rupees. So you bought something in 1.8 rupees. You sold them at rupees 2. So you sold them at rupees 2. What is your profit? How much profit you made? How much profit you made? You made profit of 0.2 rupees. 2 minus 1.8, right? You made profit of 0.2. Now this profit is always made on what? How we calculate profit percentage? Profit percentage is nothing but profit upon CP into 100. So you always make profit or loss on cost price, and the cost price is what? 1.8. So 0.2 by 1.8 into 100, this will get cancelled to 129. 1 by 9 into 100. Now we remember 100 by 9 is equal to what? 11.11. All right, Flyville, I hope that's clear now. I hope, Adi, that's clear. Okay, fine. Move to the next one. Sharp. Oh, I did not understand what you are saying, Flyville. With respect to what? Okay, thank you, Flyville. Okay, Vikash. All right. How about others? Anyone else for this question? A, Arogya. Arogya, not 100%. Right, Asif? Cost price of an article is 80% of its selling price, right? So cost price is 80% of selling price. What I'll do, I'll bring SP in denominator, this SP. So this will become 80 by 100, which means that your cost price is 80 and selling price is 100. Understand, people? Okay. Right, Vijay. So cost price is 80 and selling price is 100. Now you bought something in 80 rupees, you sold something in 100 rupees. But the question is not about profit percentage. The question is about selling prices. What percent of cost price? Of cost price. What percent of cost price? So a very simple example here. 30 is what percent of 60? 30 is what percent of 60? So what you do, you write 30 in numerator, you write 60 in denominator, multiply by 100. So you will get 1 by 2, that is 50%. All right. If I ask you 20 is what percent of 40? What you will do, 20 in numerators, 40 in denominator, multiply by 100. 20 is what percent of 60? So of 60, it means that 60 will come in denominator, 20 will come in numerator, multiply by 100. So same way here also, of cost price. It means that your cost price has to be in denominator. Your cost price has to be in denominator. Selling price has to be in numerator. So 100 by 80 into 100. So 525, 24, 41, 425. 25 into 5, 125. So your answer is 125%. Okay, right. I hope it's clear. Yes. Arogya, what we are doing, I don't think so you have attended percentage class, so that's why you're finding it difficult. Simple, just follow the language of the question. Cost price of an article is 80% of its selling price. So cost price is 80% of means multiply of selling price. Bring selling price in denominator, which means that your CP is 80, your SP is 100. Now I'll follow the language of the question. Selling price is what percent of cost price? Of cost price. So with whichever term of is there, I repeat, with whichever term of is there, we will bring that in denominator. So it will be selling price upon cost price into 100. What is your selling price? 100 rupees. What is your cost price? 80 rupees into 100. Cancel it. 25, 24, 41, 425. So it is 125. Make sense? Is that clear? Kazol, Flywell, Jennifer, is that clear? Arogya, I'll move. For first few questions, I'll go a little slow and then we'll pace up the speed. Okay. Flywell, now it's clear, Wonder? Wonderful, Wonder. Okay, awesome. We will practice few more questions on this one, the one which I'm showing to you right now. Okay, so we will do this question, people. All right, so answer is yes. So CP of 10 items is equal to CP of 10 items is equal to SP of 9 items. So look at this, CP of 10 is equal to SP of 9. There is a direct way. There is one lengthy way also, CP of one article, SP of one article, all that. But how you can do this directly? Off and off can get cancelled. Bring SP in denominator. Let this 9 be here. Bring 10 in denominator. Like if CP is here, 10 will go in denominator. If SP is here, 9 will go in denominator. Or if CP is here, bring SP in denominator. And if 9 is here, then bring 10 in denominator. What does it mean? That your CP will be 9 and your SP will be 10. All right. Your CP will be 9 and your SP will be 10. Now you bought something in 9 rupees and you sold something in 10 rupees. So what profit you made? You made 1 rupee profit on 9 rupee. You made profit by CP in 200. In 200, 100 by 9 is 11.11. Okay. Yes, you can do by assumption and other things, Bikash, but I'll say not need it. Directly, you can just go ahead with this. I bought something in 9 rupees. I sold something in 10 rupees. So I bought in 9, I sold in 10. It means that my profit is of 1 rupee, 1 by 9 with respect to cost price multiplied by 100. Do you want to practice few more questions on this? Shall we practice few more questions on this? Yes? Okay, let me write it down. CP of 20 is equal to SP of 15. CP of 20 is equal to SP of 15. So what I'll do, I'll write CP by SP. So if I'm bringing SP in denominator, this 15 will remain here and 20 will come in denominator. Okay. Now I bought something in 15 rupees. I sold something in 20 rupees. So my profit is equal to what? 5 rupees. With respect to what? Profit by CP. CP is 15. 5 by 15 into 100 into 100. So your answer is 33.33%. 5153. All of you got it? Did you understand? If this is clear, then solve next question. Okay, and do one thing, people. How can I do that? 1 minute. Like Eddie, I'll make you understand once again. Everybody do it direct message to me instead of sending it to each and everyone. Let's not disturb everybody. 1 minute. Okay, I'm not sure how to do that. If you can just put direct message to me, that would be great, because in that case, okay, I can do that now, I think. Yeah, so now you will get message. I will only get your message so that others will not get disturbed. Okay, so CP of 30 is equal to SP of 20. 1 minute, Eddie, 1 minute. SP of 20. All right, Eric. let's look at this one. So if CP is here, bring SP in denominator. Off and off you can cancel, right? If CP is there, bring SP in denominator. And then let this 20 be in numerator only and bring 30 in denominator. Okay. Right, Sandali. Yes, Mukaha. So now your CP is 20 rupees, your selling price is 30 rupees. Now think logically. Eddie, you bought something in 20 rupees, you are selling it in 30 rupees. It means that your profit is equal to 10 rupees. Yes or no, Eddie? Yes or no? The profit you made is 10 rupees, right? Now this 10 would be calculated on CP. We always calculate our cost. We always calculate a profit or loss on CP. So 10 by 20 into 100. 1 by 200 by 2 is 50%. So 50% is your answer. Okay. All right. One more, people. Cost price of 25 is equal to selling price of 15. What would be the answer this time? No, Sabyasachi. Yo Saloni, that's correct. No, Surjo. Yes, Sandali, that's correct. All right, Rahul. Yes, Vikash. Asif, what happened to you? Check again. CP by SP. CP by SP is equal to, this 15 will remain here only, and this is 25. So you bought something in 15 rupees, you sold something in 25 rupees. It means that 10 rupees is your profit. 10 by 15. What I'm doing, profit by CP into 100. Into 100. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 100 is 66.66%, right? And is that clear? Yes, many of you have answered. Mahamudul, I hope you understood. Answer is 66.66%. Jennifer, what happened, Jennifer? You bought it in 15 rupees, you sold it in 25 rupees. It means that your profit is 10 rupees. You bought it in 15, you sold it in 25, right? Okay, so 10 rupees profit on what? Profit always happens on CP. So 10 by 15 into 100. Okay, now I'll change, people. CP of 15 is equal to SP of 25. Tell me the answer. Yes, Bijay, I see your messages also. Right, Emmanuel, that's correct. Are you sure? Are you sure, Ronak? Are you sure? 40% loss. I doubt. Loss of 40%. Okay, Kajol. So CP by SP. One thing is clear to you people, that it's loss. Wonderful. Right. So CP by SP. It means that this will be 25 and this is 15. Right. So yes, loss is of 40%. Correct. I bought it in 25. I sold it in 15. I bought it in 25. I sold it in 15. It means that 10 rupees is my loss. So loss by CP into 100. My loss is of 10 rupees with respect to 25 into 100. Yes, 25 1, 25 4, 4 into 10, 40% is the loss. 40% is the loss. Super. Many of you got the answer. Shushmita, I hope you got the answer now. You will get the correct answer for the next one. Whoever, 66.66, I think Asif, not Asif. Yeah, Asif. I hope you understood now. because denominator and numerators are getting changed. So that's why the answer will also get changed. Okay, one last one. CP of 40 is equal to SP of 25. This is bad answer, but it's okay. What would be your answer? I'm sorry, Sushmita. Let's look at for the first one this time. Okay. Got the answer? 60% loss. Are you sure? 60. Oh, everyone is getting 60. Is it that good number? So CP by SP is equal to 25 by 40. So you bought in 25 rupees, you sold it in. Am I making some mistake? No. So this time it's profit only, right? Profit of what? 15 rupees with respect to what? 25 into 100. Profit by CP into 100. So 25 1, 25 4, 15 into 4, 60% profit. 60% profit. Yes? Right, Eric. Aditya, I hope it's clear. I made mistake. It's okay. I hope it's clear now. We don't have to get emotional. We just have to look for everything. Okay, one last one. CP of 25 is equal to SP of 40. CP of 25 is equal to SP of 40. This time it is 37.5. For the previous one also people have answered 37.5. Maybe they have assumed that it's a loss question only. CP by SP is equal to 40 by 25. So I bought it in 40 rupees. I sold it in 25 rupees. 15 rupees is my loss. So that's a loss. 15 by 40 into 100. So 22, 25, right? 15 into 5 is 75 by 2. 75 by 2 is 37.5% loss. Yes, 37.5% loss. All of you understood now? Anupa? Yes, that's correct. Okay. I hope to everyone it's clear whether to find loss or profit. So we just have to see if, Jennifer, this is for you. If your CP is smaller than selling price, then it's profit. If your CP is more than selling price, then it's loss. Okay. I hope it's clear. You can round it off, but these are some good good percentages. Okay. So that's why it's okay if we don't round it out also. 37.5 could be the answer and it will be there because 75 by 2 is giving you good number. Had it been 37.8, not 86, yeah, 37.86, then you can round it off to 38%. All right, Addy. But 37.5, as it's easy calculation, it would be there in the exam, in the options. Ranier, I hope you got it now, correct one. Okay, I hope you understood. Mumude, I hope you also understood. $16.66. This is little different. One more step extra is there in this question. Only one step extra. $11.11. No, option is not there, Asif. What to do? Yeah. Okay. So let's see this one. By selling 9 dozen bananas. Okay, Sandali. No, it's not. Okay, so many of you are getting some different answers which are not there in options also. Assumed 12. Yeah, we'll see. We'll discuss. Trust me, Jennifer, we will discuss. So by selling 9 dozen bananas, a man incurs a loss of selling price of 1 dozen bananas. Find his loss percentage. Yo Muka. Okay, now people understand one thing here. Very important point to understand. By selling 9 dozen bananas, think practically. If he's selling 9 dozen, it means that he would have bought 9 dozen for sure. Do you agree with that? By selling 9 dozen bananas, it means that he would have bought 9 dozen bananas for sure. Agree? If you agree, type A. 1 minute, Vikas. If you agree with what I'm saying, if he's selling 9 dozen, it means that he would have bought 9 dozen for sure. Right? Okay. Now, he is getting loss or profit. At the end, he is getting loss. So loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. People pay focus. Okay. Pay attention here. I repeat. His loss percentage. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now, selling of how many dozen is he selling? 9 dozen. It means that he would have bought also 9 dozen. So cost price of 9, or let me write it in this way. By selling 9 dozen bananas, it means that he would have bought 9 dozen bananas. A person loses selling price of 1 dozen. A person loses selling price of 1 dozen. Okay. Is that clear so far? Vikash, I'll clear your doubt. Don't worry. 1 minute. So if by selling 9 dozen bananas, if he's selling 9 dozen, it means that he would have bought 9 dozen. He's incurring a loss of SP of 1 dozen, SP of 1 dozen. Okay. Now I'll bring SP on one side. So this will become SP of 10 is equal to CP of 9. Fair enough? Is that clear so far? CP of 9 is equal to SP of 10. Now again, I'll use the same concept which I have used in the previous question. Let CP be there, bring SP in denominator. Let this 10 be here, bring 9 in denominator. So what is your CP? Your CP is 10. What is your SP? Your SP is 9. So how you're making loss? Loss of what rupee? 1 rupee. So your loss percent will be equal to what? 1 by loss percent. I'll write it here. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. My loss is equal to 1 rupee. My CP is 10 rupee. 1 by 10 into 100. Your answer is what? 10%. Okay. How many of you want me to repeat? We are just following the language of the question. If they are saying by selling 9 dozen bananas, I repeat, if they are saying by selling 9 dozen, okay, I'm repeating. Focus now, focus. Stop writing, stop typing and focus. I'm repeating for you people. So they are saying by selling 9 dozen bananas. How many dozen bananas? 9 dozen. So if he's selling 9 dozen, it means that he would have bought 9 dozen. So by selling 9 dozen bananas, it means that selling price of 9, cost price of 9. Selling 9, cost price 9. Loss of SP of 1 dozen. loss of SP of 1 dozen. So loss is equal to nothing but SP of 1 dozen. So now what I'll do, I'll bring SP on one side. So when this minus sign will come on the other side, it will become SP of 1 plus SP of 9. And SP of 9 plus SP of 1 is nothing but SP of 10. Is that clear so far? And the CP of 9 will remain there itself. So this question is nothing but it's like just it has changed the direction. So it has become CP of 9 is equal to SP of 10. So you will bring CP by SP. 10 will remain here, 9 will come in denominator. Okay, so you bought something in 10 rupees, you sold something in 9 rupees. Bought in 10, sold in 9. Bought in 10, sold in 9. It means that you got loss of 1 rupee. Loss of 1 on what? Always and always it's on CP. So 1 by 10 into 100. So your answer is 10%. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Yes? Oh, Felix, long time, Patricia. Understood? Cool. All right. Israt, yeah, today you are late, so I think you will find it little difficult to understand, but at least try. Remove this fear. So one thing I would like to tell you all that your words matters a lot. What you are saying does matter a lot. So if you are saying, I'm not understanding, I'm not understanding, I'm not understanding, even if you will try, it will be like because you have told that you have told yourself that I'm not understanding, you will find it difficult to understand. But the moment you change your language with yourself, that okay, I'm not understanding, let me try my best to understand what is going on, then you will be able to understand. Okay, try once. Fine, let me give you one more question. By selling 7 dozen eggs, a person loses selling price of 2 dozen eggs. Loss percent question mark. That's the question. Yes, Surjo. So we need to find out the language also. It's okay. Try once. How you need to start? Think about it like what all is given in the question, what they are asking us to find out. Eric, super fast, Eric. Cool. Are you sure, Eric? That's the answer this time. Okay, wonder. Felix is getting 2 answers are same so far. I got 3 answers. All right, Sushmita, let's understand one more way. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, a person is losing selling price of 2 dozen. We need to calculate loss. So whoever did not understand, let's focus now. So we need to calculate loss percent. It means that a person is incurring loss. And loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. I hope this step is clear to all. I repeat, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Fine. What happened? Okay, let me see whether it is erasing or not. Okay, yeah. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now, by selling 7 dozen eggs, so it means that SP of 7 dozen. It means that here also I will write 7 dozen. If he's selling 7 dozen, it means that he would have bought 7 dozen for sure. And then this loss is equal to SP of 2 dozen. So SP will come this side and 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. SP of 2 dozen plus SP of 7 dozen is equal to how many dozen? SP of 9 dozen is equal to CP of 7 dozen, right? Now for your happiness, cancel this off, cancel this dozen also. Okay. Now CP will be here, bring SP in denominator. Let this 9 be here, bring 7 in denominator. So you bought it in 9 rupees, you sold it in 7 rupees. You bought it in 9 rupees, you sold it in 7 rupees. So your loss is equal to what rupees? 2 rupees. Loss by CP. What is your CP? Your CP is 9. 2 by 9 into 100. Awesome. Yes. So 100 by 9 is equal to what? 11.11. So 2 into 11.11 is 22.22% is the answer. Awesome, people. Majority of you have got the right answer. I can see. Wonder, I hope it's clear now. Right? Awesome. Okay. So Flywell, I hope it's clear. Flywell, Patricia, Sandali, Saloni, Sabyasachi, Ronak, I hope it's clear. Can you reply quickly? If it is clear, can you acknowledge it? Yes, awesome. All right, now I'll bring one twist in the question. Super, Jennifer. I'll bring one twist in the question. Let's see how many of you will give me the right answer this time, okay? I'm expecting right answer from everybody. From everybody. Instead of this SP, it is CP. Now what will be your answer? Yo, Sabyasachi. Okay, anybody else? Right, Aditya. Rahul, can you check again? Mantosh Roy, check again, Mantosh. So this time also it is loss only. Loss of CP of 1 dozen. So basically a person is getting loss only. And loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. By selling how many dozen? 9 dozen. So it means that SP of 9 dozen. If SP of 9 dozen, this will also be CP of 9 dozen. But this time loss is equal to what? CP of 1 dozen. Are you getting my point? So this is CP of 1 dozen. Okay, so we'll bring CP on one side, we'll bring SP on one side. So SP of 9 is equal to what? CP of 9, then this 1 dozen will go on the other side, will become minus. When this will come on other side, will become plus. So CP of 9 minus CP of 1. So SP of 9 is equal to CP of 8. Eddie, please check at your end also. Maybe some issue with your network, because others can hear me, I guess, and they are replying. So I'm assuming that I'm audible to them. So now we'll let CP be here only, bring SP in denominator, let this 9 be here and bring 8 in denominator. So you bought it in 9 rupees, you sold it in 8 rupees. So 1 rupees loss with respect to 9. 1 by 9 into 100 is equal to 11.11%. Okay, 11.11% loss it is. All of you got it now? Yes, no. Yes. Okay, let's solve one more question. Let me look for let's solve one more question. Yo, Sandali, wonderful. By selling 7 dozen X, a person makes profit of 2 dozen eggs. Like 1 minute. Profit of CP of 1 dozen egg. 1 dozen eggs. Okay. So profit percent is equal to question mark. Oh, Eddie, check your end. No, Eric. Yo, Surjo, that's correct. Yes, Saloni. So, Vijay, in the beginning of this session, I have provided meeting ID and password. So, if anybody wants to join Zoom, they can join. They can join through that meeting ID and password. Okay. Yes, Rahul, that's correct. Sabyasachi, check again. Flywell, check again. Are you making any silly error? Yes, Sandali, you got another one also absolutely right. Yes, Kajol. Okay, awesome people. Uttam and Lemon, if you're answering 16.66 for this one, then you need to check. So this time it is profit. And profit is equal to what? Profit is equal to what? Come on, quickly, type. Profit is equal to what? Don't write profit is equal to profit. Okay. Yeah, profit is equal to what? SP minus CP. SP minus CP. So SP of how many dozen? 7 dozen. So SP of 7 dozen. It means that I will subtract CP also of 7 dozen. If I'm selling 7 dozen, it means that I would have bought 7 dozen and makes profit of CP of 1 dozen. So CP of 1 dozen. Right? Bring this on this side. This will become CP of 1 dozen plus CP of 7 dozen is equal to SP of 7 dozen. You don't have to write all this. Once you will get the practice, you can do it. Arogya, I don't know for which one you are answering 40%. I don't think so. So 1 plus 7, this is 7. This is 1. 1 plus 7 is equal to CP of 8 is equal to SP of 7. CP of 8 is equal to SP of 7. So CP by SP is equal to what? 7 by 8. You bought it in 7 rupees, you sold it in 8 rupees. 1 rupee profit on 7 rupee. 1 by 7 into 100. Your answer is 14.28%. Okay. I hope it is clear now. Whoever got 16.66, I hope it's clear. Can you reply quickly? Okay. All right. I want you to solve one question which I have added at the end. So yeah, here is the question. Try this one. Awesome, Eric. Let's see how many of you will get the answer for this one. Anybody? Somebody? Nobody? Somebody? $60. Awesome. Yes, Uttam. Okay, nice, Flywell. Very good. All right, Vikas. So on selling 17 balls at rupees 720, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. So this is what data important right now. They are not asking us percentage this time. They are asking cost price of a ball, right? So first of all, there is a loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. By selling how many balls? 17 balls. So SP of 17. If he's selling 17, it means that cost price of 17. And loss is equal to what? Loss is equal to the cost price of 5 balls. Loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. Cost price of 5 balls. Fair enough so far? So bringing this SP of 17 on one side and CP of 17 minus CP of 5. This will be equal to CP of 12. And this is equal to SP of 17. Now, do I know selling 17 balls at rupees 720? So do I know what is the cost for this selling price of 17? So this will equal to 720. So 720 is equal to cost price of 12. I repeat, on selling 17 balls at rupees 720, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. I got one equation that selling price of 17 will be equal to cost price of 12. And I do know the value of selling price of 17, that is 720. So 12 was bought at 720. So one would have been bought at 720 by 12. 720 by 12, answer is 60. Yes, answer is 60. Is that clear to everyone now? Yes. So if this is clear, will you be able to solve similar question? If not, just look at once again what we have done. Felix, what we are doing, we are using the same concept which we are practicing from past few minutes. Selling 17 balls at rupees 720, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. So now what I'll do, I'm getting loss. So I'll start from this, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. How many balls we are selling? 17 balls. If I sold 17 balls, it means that I would have bought 17 balls. Okay, 1 minute. Felix and Yotam, is this step clear? Where I have written number 1. Is that step clear? Emmanuel, is the step number 1 clear? Yes, Felix, it's clear. Emmanuel and Yotam, is that clear? Quickly, reply quickly. So I'm assuming it would have got clear. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. Selling 17 balls. Selling 17 balls. So selling price of 17. Whatever number I'm taking here, the same number I'll take in CP also. CP of 17. Right? And this loss is equal to what? Cost price of 5 balls. So this is cost price of 5 balls. Now I'll bring cost price on one side and selling price on one side. So selling price of 17 is equal to cost price of 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 will give you 12. Cancel off. Don't cancel. It's okay. Now, do I know selling price of 17 is equal to what? 720 from the question itself. So this is equal to 720. So 720 is equal to cost price of 12. 12 balls at 720 rupees. So one ball will be cost price of one will be equal to what? 720 by 12. So 12, 1, 12, 60. Answer is 60. All right, Yotam. I hope it's clear now. Esrat, Yotam, Emmanuel. I hope it's clear. Yes, Felix. Awesome. All right. So the next question, everybody try and get me the right answer. Here you go. Follow the language of the question. That's it. You are safe. Awesome. All right, Bikash. That's great. Okay. People on YouTube, those who are playing Nepal, I'll say please solve questions. Yes, Saloni. Felix, did you understand now? Felix, Yotam, Emmanuel, Surjo, yes, that's correct. Okay. So this time he is gaining. This time he is gaining, right? So gaining CP of 3 quarts. So first of all, gaining. So gaining means profit. So profit is equal to what? SP minus CP. A man sold 18 quarts. So SP of 18 minus whatever number I have taken here, the same number I'll take here also, minus CP of 18. Now profit is equal to what? CP of 3 quarts. So CP of 3 quarts. I'll bring CP on one side, SP on other side. So I'll let SP be here only, bring CP here. So CP of 3 plus CP of 18 is equal to SP of 18, and this is equal to CP of 21 is equal to SP of 18. Now, do I know SP of 18 value? That's 16,800. So CP of 21 is equal to 16,800. So 21, 16,800, 1, 16,800 by 21. 21 into 8 is answer. So 800 is the answer. Right? So clear with this concept now? Everyone? I hope it's clear, right, Patricia? Nothing like that, Bikash. I hope you're getting it. Yes, you are getting it. Awesome. Felix, done. I want to see reply from Esrat and Emmanuel also quickly about this question. Okay, Eddie, wonderful, Eddie. The things are getting clear now. Okay, they are not replying. Okay, they might be busy somewhere. All right, Esrat, thank you. Fine. So we are good with all these questions now. Let's move to the different one. Ashok, I'll explain at the end now. Okay, stay back. Stay back for a while. I'll explain. All right, I want you to try this question. So this question was asked in the exam of Infosys. Infosys, I hope you know that Infosys is a multinational software company, one of the topmost company of India. Maybe 33.33. No. Yo, Sandali. Cool. I hope Sandali you're not using. Sabyasachi, check again. Okay. So there is one simple way to answer this question. All right. Some articles were bought at 6 articles for rupees 5. Bought, it means cost price. 6 articles for rupees 5. Okay, everyone focus again. A very simple method to solve this. 6 article for rupees 5. It means that one article for 5 by 6 rupees. One article will be for 5 by 6. I'm going to introduce one small thing here that's new. So pay attention. So bought, it means cost price. 6 article for rupees 5. It means that one article is for 5 by 6. Okay. Now, and sold at 5 articles for rupees 6. So selling price 5 articles for rupees 6. It means that one article will be for 6 by 5 rupees. Yes, Emmanuel, got your answer. That's correct. One article for 6 by 5. Is that clear so far? Can you just type in quickly? Yes, no. Yes. Okay. Now, basically what you got. Okay. So I repeat, Jennifer, 6 articles for rupees 5. 6 articles for rupees 5. It means that one article will be for 5 by 6. 6 will come in denominator. Similarly, sold 5 articles for rupees 6. 5 articles for rupees 6. It means that one article will be for 6 by 5. Fine. I hope that's clear now. Now, your CP is equal to 5 by 6. Your SP is equal to what? 6 by 5. What I'll suggest you, go for cross multiply. Go for cross multiply. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 into 6 is 36. It means that your selling price is 36. Your cost price is 25. I repeat, whenever you have it in fraction, instead of taking it in decimal, because 5 by 6 will be 0.8 something, 6 by 5 will be 1.2 something. All right. So instead of taking it in decimal, let it be in whole number only. What you need to do, cross multiply. 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36. So you bought it in 25 rupees, you sold it in 36 rupees. What profit you made? What profit you made? You bought it in 25, you sold it in 36. What profit you made? You made profit of 11 rupees. 44 is the overall answer. You bought it in 25, you sold it in 36. So your profit you made is 36 minus 25, 11 rupees. What is profit percentage? Profit percentage will be 11 by, what should I write in denominator? What is my CP? What should I write in denominator? Right? I want to see more answers. Okay. Flywell, Patricia, what should I write in denominator? No, Israt. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. What is your CP? Your CP is 25. So 11 by 25 into 100. 25 1, 25 4. 11 into 4. 11 into 4, your answer is 44%. So answer is 44%. All of you understood? Basically what we are doing, whenever 6 article for rupees 5, let's solve one more article, let's solve one more question, same type of question. 7 article for rupees 10. All right, and sold at 6 articles for rupees 5. So how will I write this? How I will write this? I don't know whether it's profit or loss as of now. 7 article for rupees 10. It means that one article for 10 by 7. This is my cost price. 6 articles for rupees 5. It means that one article is for 5 by 6. So my CP is 10 by 7. My SP is what? 5 by 6. All right. 5, 1, 5, 2. I can cancel this also. I can cancel it. So 6 2s are 12 and this is 7. It's profit or loss. It's profit or loss. I bought it in 12 rupees. I sold it in 7 rupees. It's profit or loss. Yes, it is loss. Now loss is equal to what rupees? Oh, wow, Mukha. Loss is equal to what rupees here? Come on. I bought it in 12. I sold it in 7. Loss is of what rupees? 5. Now, what should I write in denominator? Loss percent. How I calculate loss percent? Loss upon what? Loss upon what? Esrat, from where this 25 is coming? Right. So CP minus SP is 12 minus 7 is 5. Right. So loss upon CP, and CP is 12. So 5 by 12 into 100. Yes. 100 by 12. I don't think so. You remember. Or do you remember 100 by 12? Do you remember 100 by 12? Okay. Do you remember 100 by 3? Oh, everyone is busy answering the question. 100 by 3 is 33.33. So 100 by 6 will be half of that. That is 16.66. So 100 by 6 half. Half of 100 by 3 is equal to 33.33. By 2 will give me 100 by 6, 16.66. 100 by 6 by 2. Excuse me. This will give me 100 by 12, and which is equal to 8.33. So 5 into 8.33, 41 point something is your answer. Okay. This is just for explanation. The numbers will not be like this, but I hope you understood. Right, people? All of you got it? Yes, no? Yes? Okay, Jennifer, Patricia, Saloni, Sandali, and Wonder, long time Wonder. Tasnia, Wonder, you haven't replied to me long time. Felix. Okay, let's move to the next question. Understood. Okay, sir. Fine. How about this? Mahamudul, from this one, it will get clear. Don't worry. Okay. All right, Anupa. So thank you, Vijay. I drank some water. So what's the answer for sixth one? Esrat, try, come on. You can do it. Come on, Esrat. Rahul. Answer is 11 1 by 9. Answer is either 9 1 by 11 or 11 1 by 9. I don't remember exactly. 11.11. So it is option C. Okay. All right. All right. Every one of you are getting 11.11 only. So maybe that's the answer then. So oranges are bought. CP 10 at the rate of 10 for rupees 25. It means that 10 oranges for rupees 25. All right. Jennifer, Flywell, Understanding? 10 oranges for rupees 25. It means that one orange is for 25 by 10. Okay, fly well. Now SP, sold at the rate of 9 for 25. 9 oranges for rupees 25. It means that one orange is for 25 by 9. So my CP is 25 by 10 and my SP is 25 by 9. I'll cancel this 25, 25 so that here it will be 1 and 1. So this 9 and cross multiply. 9 into 1, 9. This is 10. I bought it in 9 rupees. I sold it in 10 rupees. 1 rupees profit on 9. 1 by 9 into 100. 11.11 is the answer. Okay. I hope it's clear now. Eddie, Eric, understood? Okay, Vikash. How about others? So let's move on to the next type of question then. Okay. All clear. Surjo, again, you're all clear. Makes me scared, Surjo. Fine, people, come on, answer this question. Similar one, which we have solved so far. Quickly, try to solve this question within 45 seconds. This is extra data. I'm giving you a hint. Extra data, not required. So flywheel, we were canceling it whenever we write something like, okay, if it was 25 by 10 and 25 by 9, right? Flywheel, this is your CP and this is SP. So if I do cross multiply, this will become what? 25 into 9 and this is 25 into 10. So I can cancel these two. Like you remember, we have done 10 by 7 and one was 5 by 6. One example we have taken. So I can cancel 5, 1, 5, 2 because just to make my calculation simpler. All right, Flywell? Or it. Okay. Flywell, today you are using international English. I hope you understood. Or maybe I'm unable to understand your English. So, just kidding. By selling 25 liters of milk, forget about this, a merchant earns a profit cost price of 5 liter. So first of all, it is profit, and profit is equal to what? Selling price minus cost price or cost price minus selling price? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price of how many liter? 25 liters. So it means that cost price also of 25 liter and profit is equal to what? 5 liter. Cost price of 5 liter. So bringing it this side, bringing this side. So this will become CP of 30 is equal to SP of 25. So off of got cancel. CP by SP is equal to 25 by 30. I bought it in 25. I sold it in 30. 5 rupees is my profit on 25. 5 by 25 into 100. Yes, answer is 20%. Awesome, people. Eddie. Okay, you are talking about this 25 in denominator. I hope, Eddie, you understood, right? 5, 1, 5, 5 is a 25, and then 5, 1, 5, 20. So final answer is 25, 20%. Okay, awesome, people. Maximum of you have answered. I think almost everyone had answered correct one. Okay. All right. Fine. Try this question. Mahamudul, I hope you are understanding whatever questions we have done so far. Anupa, Mahamudul, Art, Runiar. Suddenly, we don't have to get emotional by none of these options, okay? Answer is one of these, apart from none of these. Okay, so still I got so many different answers. A merchant sells sugar and makes a profit of 6%. So first of all, people, I don't know, understand this one. This is little tricky one. No problem, Israt. Little tricky one. Okay. Today, everyone seems to have some problem. So do I. Even I have some problem. So a merchant sells sugar and makes a profit of 6%. So we don't know at what rupees he bought it. So we'll assume that he would have bought it at 100. Now he's making a profit of 6%. All right, Surjo. We'll ignore that there then. So profit of 6%. So can anybody tell me what will be the selling price? Can anybody tell me what will be the selling price? 106. Right? 100, 6% profit. It means that selling price is 106. Now his cost price increases by 10%. So his cost price increases by 10%. So what will be new cost price? Come on, come on, come on. What will be new cost price? Okay, Eddie, 6% is profit, right? So 6% of 100 is 6. So 100 plus 6. I hope you understood. Eddie, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit percent of profit. Profit is 6% of 100, that is 6. That's why we added. Now, 110, yes. And thus increases the selling price also by 10%. So what will be new selling price? What will be new selling price? New selling price will be 10% of 106. So 10% of 106 is 10.6. So new selling price will be equal to what? 106 plus 10.6, which is 116.6. Okay. Fair enough. So what profit percentage does he earn now? What is the profit he is making now? What is the profit he is making? 110 rupees. What is the profit he is making? Mahamudul, it will be 126.6. Right? Yes, Rona. So can I say 6.6 profit they made or he made, merchant made 6.6 profit? I hope people you are understanding. We need to calculate profit. So profit is nothing but 116.6 minus 110. So that is equal to 6.6. Now divided by CP. What is CP? New CP is 110. 110 into 100. This, 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 this. Final answer is 6%. So the answer is 6%. Okay. I repeat, just follow the language of the question. Is that clear? Yes, Muka. All of you got it? Now, if I have to do this quickly, what I'm doing, I'll repeat quickly what we are doing. We don't know at what price he bought it in the beginning. So let it be 100 rupees. He sold it at 6% profit. It means that selling price would be 106. Cost price, selling price. Now, profit, cost price increased by 10%. It means that 110. Selling price also increased by 10%. Now, 10% of 106 will give you 116.6. What is the profit this time? This time the profit is 6.6. On what? Profit will be on cost price, 110 into 100. This cancel two zeros, 11, 1, 11, 6. So 6 is the answer, 6%. Okay, fine people. I'm moving to the next one. We'll discuss this. We'll discuss this discount after a while. Before that, this was one of the questions somebody asked me in the group long ago. So can you try this question? What would be the answer for this one? What's the answer for this one? Yo, Bikash. Okay. So a shopkeeper professes to sell his goods at CP, but uses a weight of 900 grams for 1 kg. All right. Now, I don't know whether it happens in your country or not, but in India, it's very common. Like especially these vegetable vendors, what they do, they want to weigh 1 kg, so they don't have a bar of that 1 kg. Instead, what they will do, they will put one stone and they will assume that it is 1 kg. Now, might be possible that stone is of 900 gram. Can you relate with me what I'm saying? Yeah, kind of cheating. Are you understanding? So now what happened if I go, okay. So now if I go to buy that veggies or buy those vegetables from that person, what that person will do, he or she will tell me that I'm giving you 1 kg, but that person is not giving me 1 kg, that person is giving me 900 grams. Are you getting my point? It means that that person is directly making a profit of 100 grams. Can people relate what I'm saying? Eddie, Eric, Wonder, yeah, Esrat, Jennifer, right? Now, so true weight. What was true weight? What was true weight? 1000 gram. What was false weight? 900 gram. So if he's giving 900 gram, directly he is making a profit of 100 gram. I repeat. When somebody is giving you 900 gram instead of 1000 gram, that person is directly making a profit of 100 gram. Okay, so profit is of 100 gram. Okay, now denominator, what should I write? I should write 900 or I should write 1000? What should I write in denominator? I should write 900 or 1000? I should write 900. Why? I tell you. Because of 900, I made this profit. I repeat, when I'm giving this 900 gram, I made this profit. If I would have given 1000 gram, I wouldn't have made any profit. So my profit, this 100 gram is profit. This profit is coming because of this 900 grams. So because of what? With respect to what? With respect to false weight. So with respect to 900 gram, I'm making 100 gram profit. That's why I'll be writing 900 in denominator. So 100 by 9 is equal to 11.11%. So this is nothing but true weight minus false weight upon false weight into 100. That's the profit percentage when there is a dishonest seller. Okay, but I hope you understood why we are writing 900 in denominator. All of you got it? Yes, no? Okay. Is that clear? People, you're not replying. Reply. Yes, no, whatever it is. All right, Ashok. Okay. Flywheel, Jennifer. How about others? Okay, Wonder, not clear. Wonder, see this way. let's say you came to my shop. All right. I am telling you that I'll give you 1,000 grams actually, but I gave you 900 gram. I'm a dishonest person. All right. So I gave you 900 gram. So you asked for 1,000, but I gave you 900. There is some problem in my weighing machine, that I have set the machine in such a way that 1,000 gram, if it is 1,000 gram, it will weigh 900 gram only. Oh, Surjo, control your emotion. I'll also control my emotion. I hope understanding now, right? One more thing. So here in India, it happens that even at the petrol pumps, what they have done some settings, like if you will ask for petrol for 50 rupees, they will charge you 50 rupees, but they will do some settings in their machine, which will give you petrol for only 30 rupees actually. So you have asked for 50 rupees, but that person is giving only for 30. It means that directly 20 rupees is his profit, right? Similar stuff. You have asked 1,000, but I gave you 900 gram. It means that my direct profit is 100 gram. Is that clear, Jennifer and Wonder? Yes, Jennifer? So now think about it. I'll make profit because of false weight or because of actual weight. If I'm giving you 900 gram, that time I will be making profit. So 900 will come in denominator, multiply by 100. So your answer is 100 by 9. 100 by 9 is 11.11. Right, Jennifer? I hope that's clear now. Okay. All right. So let's move on then. Jennifer, I would appreciate if you will tell me whether it's clear or not. Okay. Fine. Right. So there is one thing. Oh, understand. I bought some. There are two articles. Awesome. Awesome, Jennifer. Emmanuel, you're still here. Good. You're not replying from long time. So there are two articles. Okay. Somebody is asking on YouTube, where are you from? I am from India. So there are two articles, Article 1 and Article 2, CP. So CP, let's say first article I bought at 100 rupees, another article also I bought 100 rupees. Everyone focus, stay focused. Okay. CP for first article was 100, CP of second article was also 100. Now I sold one at profit of 10% and another one I sold at loss of 10%. So my selling price, what will be the selling price of first article? What will be the selling price of first article? Come on, 110. What will be the selling price of second article? Loss of 10%. It means that 90, 10%. It means 10% of 100 is 10. So 100 minus 10 is giving you 90. So now 100 plus 100 is what? 200. 110 plus 90 is what? 200. What is my net profit or loss? 0. It means that no profit, no loss. Okay, no profit, no loss. All of you got it? So now note down this. You can expect question on this directly because this is a very direct one, direct approach. There are two cases. Focus, okay? If CP of two articles are same, I want you to note it down in your copy. One was sold at profit and other at loss. Also, profit percent is equal to loss percent. So what things we need to check? We need to see CP of two articles are same. One was sold at profit, other was sold at loss. Also, we need to check, is profit percent equal to loss percent? Net result will be what? no profit, no loss. All right, net result is no profit, no loss. Israt, I'm giving you some formula. Wait. Now another one. If SP of two articles are same, what is same this time? SP. One was sold at profit and other at loss. Also, this is also, okay. Also, profit percent is equal to loss percent. Net result will be what? Loss. And loss percentage is equal to P percent into L percent upon 100. Okay. P percent into L percent upon 100. All of you got it? Note it down. If you are done with this, let me know. We will move to the question. So there is, it's a different, I'll explain at the end, Vikas. Okay. As of now, just understand it. So what happens, there is a way, but it would be lengthy one. So we'll do at the end. Okay. All right, Vikas. Fine. People, are you done with this? Have you noted down these 2 points? 2 things you need to see. First of all, you need to see, is CP same? If CP is same, then check profit or loss percent is also same. Then it is no profit, no loss. Now check another one. If SP of 2 articles, if SP is same, then we need to see, is one sold at profit and other at loss? So Farmuddin, people are saying to explain to this one to me. Profit percent, loss percent. Okay, I'll explain. 1 minute, okay? 1 minute. Are you done with this? Are you done with this? Yes or no, people? Yes. Okay. I want to explain you one more thing. So let's discuss. People are asking me how we got this. So there is something called a successive percentage. Though we have not used this because it's okay. Something, if you don't use it, that's okay. Successive percentages means what? 10% increase, 10% increase. Like if 100 is increased 10% 2 times, means what? 100 will increase by 10%. It means that it will become 110. And now this 110 will also increase by 10%, will become what? 110 plus 11. So this will give you 121. So 100 became 121. 100 became 121. 100 became 121. So what is your percentage increase happened finally? 21%. All right. All right. So there will be, if there are 2 cases, A, B. Okay, forget it. This generally we do it other way only, so that's why I didn't explain. So now if I have two percentage, A percent and B percent, what would be all my combination? Can I say one increase, another one also increase, one increase, other one decrease, one decrease, other one increase, or both decrease? These are my combination. Yes, no? All right. A, B, A, B. Now for increase, I'll use plus sign. For decrease, I'll use minus sign. So successive percentages. Successive percentages, all right? A increase, B increase. So this will be what? Plus A plus B plus AB upon 100. All right. A percent increase, B percent decrease, plus A minus B, plus minus minus AB upon 100. A percent decrease, B percent increase will be what? Plus, not plus, this time it will be minus A plus B, plus minus minus AB upon 100. Okay. The last one is A percent decrease and B percent decrease. So this will be what? Minus A minus B, minus minus is what? Plus AB upon 100. Did you understand so far? Very rarely you have to use this. I will suggest don't use it at all. Go with logic, that's much more. But as you people are telling me to explain second one, so that's why I'm explaining. Now think about it. If one was sold at profit and other was sold at loss, so can I say one is increasing and other one is decreasing? Yes, one is increasing and other one is decreasing. And if profit is 10% and loss is also 10%, so this will become what? Plus 10, and this will become minus 10. Plus minus is what? Minus 10 into 10 upon 100. So you will cancel this and this will also get cancelled. So this is your answer is minus 1. This minus sign represents loss. All right. That's what the formula is. Profit percent into loss percent divided by 100. Understood now? Fahmidul, I hope it is clear. And Bikash, I hope it is clear, though it is all not needed. Okay. Now tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. No, Bikash. What is same? What is same this time? Right. What is same? Can anyone tell me? CP is same or SP is same? CP is same or SP is same? SP is same. If SP is same, is profit percent equal to loss percent? Yes. One was sold at profit and other was sold at loss. Profit equal to loss percent. So plus 10 minus 10. Minus 10 into 10 by 100. This will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. So you're getting minus 1, which is nothing but loss of 1%, which is nothing but the formula which we have seen, that if one was sold at profit and other was sold at loss, profit percent is equal to loss percent. And if SP is same, then net result will be loss, and loss is equal to P percent into L percent by 100. So 10 into 10 by 100. Answer is 1% loss. I hope that's clear now. No. Answer is not no profit, no loss. If they would have given Akash buys 2 bags for 100 each, buys, it means CP. In that case, the answer would have been no profit, no loss. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? Got it? Simple stuff. If CP is same, profit percent is equal to loss percent, no profit, no loss. If SP is same, profit percent is equal to loss percent, net result is loss, and loss is equal to what? Profit into loss into by 100. Okay. This you leave it as of now. Okay. I want you to do this. 1 minute. We'll solve this question tomorrow. This is what? Okay, this question can also, I want to discuss one concept as of now. Yeah, this one, this question. Vijay, I used both method there. That per successive percentage is for SP, Junior. Okay, 1320 is the answer. Fine. Now, people, I'll tell you one more direct way. You can expect this type of question in your IND SAT very surely. A man sold an article for rupees 1140. This is SP and incurs a loss of 5%. So loss is equal to 5%. Now, SP by CP is equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100. I'm using that formula. SP is 1140. CP, I don't know. 100 minus loss is 95 by 100. Right? When I solve it further, I'll get CP. This 19,5, 1960. 51512, 12 into 100. So CP is equal to 1200. Now I got CP at 1200. What should be the selling price so as to gain 10%? So 10% of this, 10% profit, 10% of 112. Sorry, 10% of 1200 is 120. So 1200 plus 120, your answer is 1320. All right. Now I'll tell you another way. Answer few questions quickly. All right, everyone, answer few questions. If I say loss of 5%, which is same as selling price equal to selling price is 95% of cost price. If I say loss of 10%, it means that my selling price is 90% of cost price. If I say loss of 20%, so my selling price will be what percent of cost price? Come on. I'll tell you the shortcut, Mahmudul. 1 minute, wait. 80%, right? See, people, a very simple way to understand. If I bought something in 100 rupees and I'm giving you 20% loss, it means that you are buying in 80 rupees. Are you with me? I repeat, if I bought something in 100 rupees, but I'm selling that to you in 80 rupees. 20 rupees is my loss. So I am selling it at loss of 20%. It means that you are buying in 80%. If I'll say loss of 15%, it means that what will be the selling price of CP? Come on, quickly. Come on. No, 15, 85. I want now, next one, I want answer from everyone. One last one. Loss of 30%, 30, this is 30, is equal to SP of what? SP is of what percent of CP? Come on, everybody. SP is 70% of CP. One more. Profit of 10%. Profit of 10%. SP is what percent of CP? 110. Awesome. Profit of 5%. SP is what percent of CP? 105. All of you understood now? All right. Now we have to solve this question in one step. Okay, I'm just solving it here. Focus, people. A man sold an article for 1140. If you substitute here also, 95% is 1140. A man sold an article at rupees 1140 and incurs a loss of 5%. It means that 1140 is 95%. Agree? 1140 is 95% of CP if you want to write, whether you don't need it. Now, at what amount should he sell? At what amount should he sell the article to gain 10%? At what amount? This is my selling price. At what amount should he sell to gain 10%? 10%. So if I'm gaining, can I say my selling price will be 110% of CP? Is that clear or not? Dunia, I answered that already. Successive percentage is for SP, not for CP. Okay. Did you understand this part, people? All of you? Can I see yes from everybody? Quickly. Okay. Thank you. Flywell, still waiting for your answer. Sanjo Saloni. Okay. So now just cross multiply this CP will get cancelled out. Okay. So 1140 into 110 divided by 95 is equal to X. What I'm doing cross multiply. All right, I'm doing cross multiply. So people on YouTube also replied. Thank you. So 1905, 1960, 51. No, this is not 60. Yeah, 515, 12. 12 into 110 is 1320. So your answer is 1320. Cross multiply. Fine. We'll solve one more similar question. Shall we? I repeat. A man sold an article 1140 and incurs a loss of 5%. It means that this 1140 is 95%. So at what amount should he sell? I don't know that amount. So to gain 10%, if it is gain percent, it means that selling price will be 110%. Fine. Okay. Try to answer this question. Good, Mantosh. Anupa, I hope you are understanding. Okay, Vikash, how about others? All right, Sandali. Eddie, can you check Eddie? Eddie, type your equation here quickly. Yes, Flywell, that's correct. Eddie, I'm waiting for your reply. Quickly, type your equation in the chat box. Ronak, yeah. Yes, Mantosh. Yes, Vijay. Okay, Eddie, I don't know, maybe. So selling an article, again, this is SP. A man loses 20%. So 200, in front of 200, what should I write? Loses 20%, it means what should I write? 200 is what percent of CP? Loses 20%, means what should I write? Come on, come on, come on, come on. 80%. All right, 80% of CP. What should be the selling price? I don't know, selling price. What should be the selling price of the article if he wants to gain 20%? Gain 20%, so what should I write? Gain 20%, 120%. So this will get cancelled. This percentage sign will also get cancelled. 200 is 80. People, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. So 200 is 80 200 is 80, x is 120. So cross multiply. So x is equal to 200 into 120 by 80. You can cancel it. 42, 43, 21, 200, 300 is your answer. All right. 300 is the answer. All of you understood? Got it, people? Yes, Eddie? I hope it's clear now. So, yeah. So this topic is not yet over. We have to discuss about discounts that we will discuss tomorrow. And we will take more questions on profit and loss, few more practice questions. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is your verbal class, day after tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. Now we will see you, I will see you on Saturday. Okay. So I hope, did you understand at least 75% today? People, did you understand whatever we discussed, whatever the questions we discussed? 100%. Okay, cool. All right, awesome. See, people, understanding Israt, you need to go to the video again then. Yeah, just to, Eddie, that's why I was telling you yesterday that go through all those videos. It would have helped really well today. But as you did not get time or whatever could be the reason, whatever the challenges you have faced today, that's because of other thing, because the basics is not so pro as of now. Okay, so I will say, so there is one small story I will share quickly. Very simple thing. Is that okay if I'll share? Again, my life story. Is that okay if I share? All right. Yeah. So wonder you what you are asking, please type in quickly so that I can reply. All right. So people, one thing, when I was in 12th standard, when I was preparing for all the competitive exams, right? So in India, there is a huge thing that you go and join coachings and everything, but I haven't joined any coaching. So whatever I was doing it on my own. And I used to do a lot of hard work. I remember so well that I used to study almost like 16 hours in a day. My schedule was so tight that I have made 16 hours I have to study. It means that I used to make sure that no, not even 1 minute should be less than in that 16 hours. I was always making sure that it has to be more than 16 hours. So the kind of, so what happened was, 1 minute, I'll go to that wonder, which was the last question. 1 minute, people, I'm sorry for interrupting. So yeah, I am from India. And India, yeah, this was the question, I guess. Okay. So when I used to study, I was trying to get a good college from out of India, but I was able to get a good college only from my state. So because of this hard work, I was able to get a number one college from the state, and I'm from Madhya Pradesh of India. So I was able to get into topmost college of Madhya Pradesh, whereas I was seeking admission into topmost colleges of India, but I couldn't get that. That's okay. So I went and like after this all uh, it's like admission part got over and everything, then I went and met one of my friends. All right. So when I met one of my friends, so I couldn't meet my friend, and my friend's mother was there. So when I was telling to her mom, or like to that auntie, that I have studied hard to get into to get the admission into this college, all from this. No, I am not from IIT, but I am from one of the top college from of my state, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so what my friends, focus on what I'm saying right now. So what my friend's mother said, that if my daughter would have done this much of hard work, she would have been into IIT. All right. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that it's so easy to say, but it's difficult to do. Right? Like her mother told me that if my daughter would have done similar hard work, she would have been into IIT. But now try to understand, her daughter had not done that much of hard work also, that where she was able to get, whether she was able to secure that college too. But as like my little hard work at least helped me to get that #1 college of my state. I hope you're getting my point now, right? So what I'm trying to tell you here is that what we think is different and what we do is actual things what we do. So if you think that, okay, if I'll solve this, I'll clear it, if conditions are there, then the result will also be if. But if you want answer as an actual thing, so then put it into action. Try to solve each and every question, right? I know when I'm explaining, I go very slow because I want each and every one of you to understand it, right? So I make sure that everyone is understanding, and that's why I keep on checking also. Now, what is your part to do after finishing these classes? Devote some time, decide what time you can give for your preparation. Whatever the more number of hours, whatever the hard work you can do it. All right. And like, try to solve the question, challenge yourself at every point that, okay, that this question I took 5 minutes to solve. Now let me change the value by myself and let me solve, okay, how it can be done. Now how can I solve it in 3 minutes? Now 5 minutes you came to 3 minutes, but your motto is to come at 1 minute. It's okay, change value again, change value again, and now you will see that you will come to 1 minute, or maybe possible you will come in less than 1 minute. All right. So please keep taking action. Very much important. Very much important. If we will just study here, but and if we'll not study later on, but it would be like difficult. All right. So that's it at my end. So keep taking action. Very much important. So somebody is writing, just need to work hard, but this somehow scary. What we are learning now is for preparation of the exams, right? And if you fail, then it's your end. Where do I find the recent lesson? Okay, so Eddie, for you, you can find out the you can find out what you can find out. Yeah, it's on the same channel. The videos are there available. All right, so go through that. Now, one more thing. So many of you, when you type and when you ask, so what happened is, like, many of you, like I told you in the between of the session also, especially for you, this is especially for you, Addy and Esrat. Whenever you are using a word, right, whatever the languages you are talking to yourself, be little mindful about it. Be little mindful. If you are saying that these things are scary, I can give you in return that will be 100% more scary what you feel then. But if you see that, okay, this is not scary, I can do it, let me just do it, you will feel a different energy shift in yourself, and you will see that you will be able to do it for sure. So it's all about, this is called as, what it is called as, I forgot the name, linguistic, I forgot the name, NLP. N stands for what? I don't remember exactly. I think neural linguistic, correct. Neuro linguistic pattern or neuro linguistic. So NLP, neuro linguistic. It means what you are saying, it's directly affecting in your mind. And one more thing I'll say, because everyone is here right now and listening to me, so I will add on to this. I myself practice all this even right now. Even in right now, it means in everyone's life there are challenges, but it depends on you how you want to take those challenges. You want to take those challenges in a positive way, or you want to take those challenges by losing your confidence more. So even there is a challenge. So if you are losing your confidence, it will become more challenging. But if you will show little courage to yourself, then the challenge will be easy to overcome. Fair enough. All right. So everyone take care of this. Everyone do take care of this, that how you are talking to yourself. Your language with respect to you will affect a big time. All right. Okay. Fine, people. So we'll meet you on Saturday. Till then, utilize your Friday and utilize your Thursday also. Devote some time. practice, practice, practice. Like I was telling you other day, you never know, maybe because of you, what all happiness can come in your life, what all happiness can come in your family life. Am I making sense? Yes. All right. Okay. Fine, people. Thank you, Jennifer. I have done the same, Jennifer. So I was the one, oh, like I have really suffered a lot, and I'm saying all this. It needs a lot of guts actually, to because it's getting streamed live on YouTube also. I don't know who all will be looking at and listening to that, but I know that my message should reach to my students who are listening to me. So that's why I'm telling you that would be very helpful. Just keep taking action and keep positive attitude always and always. Okay, fine, people. Take care. Bye bye. All right, people. Bye bye, Eddie. Bye, everyone. Enjoy your day. Thank you for my day. Thank you, people. Take care. Yes, Jennifer. So let's remove that. Thank you, Mantosh. All right, people. Bye bye. Enjoy. I'm ending up the meeting.